Ma'am, kanin si Brand X. Barato siya suga. Kaso, ilisunod ka tuig kay na siya chance na mo pundero ang hubuto pag mali pagkataon.
Mahal kayo si Brand Z.
Brand X na lang ko, engineer.
On the roof of a building in Brooklyn. This happened on Prospect Place.
Ang sure ka? May lisan na gini siya, pero guaranteed pa ni dili na maguba or worst, musiga?
Back in 2016 to 2018, businesses in Davos City were found to have yet to renew their fire safety inspection certificates a year after they received them. In 2016, the number of buildings inspected for fire was much more higher than those inspected in 2018. The probable cause could be the lack of budget to replace fire preventive equipment.
Maong tarungan ng pagpili, quality for our safety, dili magpingata pagpili, kwarta ubos sa kalidad.
Pili og maayo at kinabuhi sigurado. That's why we
choose what is right, put safety in the spotlight.